book is Who Sank the Boat by Pamela Allen. Beside the sea on Mr. Pepper's place there lived a cow, a donkey, a sheep, a pig and a teeny tiny mouse. They were good friends, and one warm sunny morning, for no particular reason, they decided to go for a row in the bay. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the cow who almost fell in when she tilted the boat and made such a din? Let's see. No, it wasn't the cow who almost fell in. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the donkey who balanced her weight, who yelled, "I'll get in at the bow before it's too late"? No, it wasn't the donkey who balanced her weight. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the pig as fat as butter who stepped in at the side and caused such a great flutter? I wonder if it was the pig. No, it wasn't the pig as fat as butter. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the sheep who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could knit? Let's have a look. No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the mouse, the last to get in, who was the lightest of all? Could it be him? Here he goes, about to jump on the boat. Splash! Do you know who sank the boat? Can you see the teeny tiny mouse? Here they go. Back to the farm, all wet. That was a great story. See you next time.